Hey guys, you're in for a real treat today. Nancy's doing chicken salad Mexican style. You're going to love this.
Hi, I'm Bill,
I'm Nancy.
and we are the Thin Blue Lane.
Hi Nancy, how are you today?
I am good. Hi, welcome guys. Today I have another episode of another recipe that you're going to love. Today we're going to make chicken salad. Tomorrow is going to be moving day for us. I always like to prepare something ahead of time so Bill and I have something to eat while we're on the road. And this is a great recipe that is delicious and it's high in protein. 2 chicken breasts, 2 celery stalks. We like it spicy, so we add a jalapeno, a handful of walnuts, some cranberries, an apple. You can use any type of apple that you have. Granny Smith is a good one too. A piece of onion, mayo, sour cream.
And we didn't talk about what do we here?
This is sea salt and black pepper to season the chicken with.
And what's this over here in the pan?
This is the leftover celery after I cleaned it from there. You can pan fry it. It is also delicious, and then you can slice it into cubes and put it in your salad. However, for me, I like to put it in the pot with the leftover celery. Not only will it make my chicken tender, but I will also have chicken stock left to make rice or other recipes. We're going to start with putting our chicken breasts to boil with the leftover pieces of the celery. You don't have to, but it gives it a good flavor with the extra vegetables in there. Alright. Always wash your hands after touching poultry, food safety reasons. And right here to the pot, we're going to add a piece of onion just to season the chicken a little bit. And also our chicken stock that we're going to use for other recipes. Some sea salt. Pepper. And a garlic powder. Put some water.
The water filter pitcher is clean, but the outside has water droplets on it. It is not dirty as appears in this scene.
Just enough to where it's covered. And we're going to put it to a boil.
The stove has an auto lighting system. She just prefers to use this.
Yes, it's just quicker for me.
What temperature?
On high. We're just going to boil it for 25 minutes. You're going to save the stock for the recipes, and then we're going to get it out and slice it to use it for our chicken salad. So while that is boiling, we're going to do the rest over here. We're going to wash these right here. Always wash your vegetables.
I had to switch to the wide angle lens. We are filming at 2.7K and 24 frames per second.
Alright, so in the meantime, we're going to get your bowl. You're going to chop your apple, your jalapeno, celery, finely. They're going to be finely chopped because you're going to be mixing them into the salad. So you want to get a bite of everything so you can taste it. So you want your pieces to be small enough to be able to mix with the rest and taste delicious.
Nice ring you got there.
Thank you. My husband gave it to me, so this goes in the bowl. Jalapeno. Like I said, you don't have to, but we like it spicy. We always
So
add
you cut out the heart
jalapeno
of the jalapeno.
I just don't feel like having the seeds in it, and since they're falling out, just go ahead and make it a clean cut on the peppers. So finely chop your jalapeno. You can do big or little slices depending how much of a bite you want. Now I'm gonna wash my hands because I just touched jalapeno, and you do not want to touch your face afterwards. I did this last time, trust me, it's not fun. So I'm gonna wash my hands. Dried cranberries. You know, I don't know why these packages, they always put like easy open. It ain't never that easy open. But for cranberries, you're gonna need just about a handful. Okay, maybe a little more. I like cranberries. Put that in your bowl. Walnuts. probably about 2 handfuls. That's what we have. And then we're gonna stir all this. This is what's going to give the crunch to the chicken salad. And it's going to be delicious. We're still waiting on the chicken. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and cut our apple. That's going to go in here too. You have to core the apple.
And tell us again what's in this pot.
This is going to be just a piece of onion, the leftovers of the celery when you chopped your celery for your salad, and your 2 chicken breasts. Salt and pepper and some water. Put it to boil to cook the chicken. After we've put in the bowl and finally chopped your celery and your jalapenos, your cranberries and your walnuts, we're going to finally chop the apple and add it onto the bowl. This is a good summer salad. You can put this on bread, you can put this on lettuce, you can just eat it out of a bowl with a fork, you can eat it with chips, you can take it on a picnic, go to the beach, you can take it anywhere. And it's delicious. The kids love it because it has apples. Parents love it because it has vegetables and it has protein, so it is a healthy salad. That's cute. We're going to add that. Wow, that looks delicious already. I would eat it just like this. See, look at that freshness and that deliciousness. That's everything there is fresh. Your vitamins, your minerals, everything that is good for you. Okay, we were with our salad. Everything's chopped up and it's in the bowl. Now we're going to add mayo, sour cream. There are some recipes that call for just mayo or just sour cream. I like to do both because it balances the flavor, and I don't have to put a lot of mayonnaise that might also have a lot of fat. We're going to do 4 tablespoons of mayo, 3 tablespoons of sour cream. After you put that in there, we're going to go ahead and mix the mayo and the sour cream onto the vegetables. And right now it might look like you have just a lot of sour cream and mayo for the salad, but remember, you still have to add the chicken.
Nobody's complaining about too much sour cream and mayo.
Mix well. You're gonna have to put pepper to taste. A little bit of sea salt.
What is this you're wearing here?
This is, I call it my little trinket. My husband bought it for me after he retired and we went on the road. We were at the jewelry store, and he knows that I love animals, and I saw the paw and he decided to buy it for me, and I just love it because, as you all know, we have chihuahuas, but I love the animals, so this was great for me. I love it. Thank you again. You're the bestest husband ever.
Aw. You're the bestest wife ever.
That is going to be delicious. Another tip that you can use while you are making your chicken salad, I have put some baby carrots in the pot. And since it's making a broth, you're making 2 meals at once. You're going to use the chicken for your chicken salad, and after you take the chicken out, you're going to have the broth left, so you're going to have basically chicken soup left, which would be 2 meals for one. So if you have any vegetables in the refrigerator that are left over, throw them in there. You're going to get the chicken out for the chicken salad. You can do potatoes, you can do carrots, you can do zucchini, whatever you want. And it will make a delicious soup. Zucchini is very good with it. And the reason I'm also doing this is because Bill was a little sick. So if anybody's under the flu or just anytime, you can make a delicious chicken soup at the same time that you're going to make your salad. So might as well.
What you got there?
I found 2 zucchini.
Those are nice zucchinis.
And this is the end of the budget, so you're going to be using your leftover vegetables that you bought during your grocery shopping that you didn't get to use, and throw them in there at the ends. I like mine in big pieces, so that way it does not get soggy. Throw that into the pot and let that boil. Alright guys, after 25-30 minutes of boiling the chicken, we are going to go ahead and get it out of the pot, turn the fire off. Now remember, this is going to be 2 meals in one. When you're boiling your chicken, throw your vegetables in there and you can make a fabulous chicken soup. And I'm going to show you how all of this comes together here in a little bit. Let's get our plate, let's get our chicken out. Here, chicken breast is cooked and it looks juicy and delicious.
It only takes 25 minutes to cook chicken?
Chicken breast, yes, boneless. Then we're going to set that right here. We're going to let it cool. And in the meantime, look in here. Now after you got your chicken out, you have a delicious vegetable soup for later. And it smells delicious. So now we're going to let our chicken cool, and then we're going to cut it into cubes and put it into our chicken salad.
So that soup over there is a totally separate meal?
Yes. Like I said, you can put your chicken breast on a frying pan for a quick chicken salad. You can definitely do that. But if you want it to be quick and you want to make 2 meals in one, to cook your chicken, if you boil it and you go ahead and throw the vegetables in there, you're making 2 meals. You're making your chicken salad and you're making chicken soup as well. Might as well, you know, cook once and have 2 meals. Let's let this cool a bit.
And the air conditioner just kicked on to help you do just that.
Now that your chicken breast is cooked, we are going to slice it into cubes to put in the chicken salad. And just cut your chicken into small pieces. And the chicken just falls apart.
Tastes like chicken.
You can use all of the chicken to put in your chicken salad, or you can take a little bit of this chicken and throw it in the pot in there if you want a little bit of meat with your chicken soup, which we might do just to make it nice and delicious. The chicken is so tender. If you boil it for this particular chicken salad, it stays moist as if you pan fry it and you overcook it even just a little. It might be dry, and nobody likes fried chicken. At least I don't. You can use chicken breast. If you don't have chicken breast, you can use chicken thighs, chicken legs, any part of the chicken that you like. You can boil it and make your broth and then slice the chicken. See, this one's just falling apart, but it's so delicious. I like my chicken soup with a little bit of chicken, so we're going to use some of this chicken and just put some back in the pot to make a delicious chicken soup. Put your chicken right here. Okay. And now you can start adding your chicken to your bowl or your salad. Do a little bit at a time and mix it. This is one of the best salads ever. Finish folding your chicken into your salad. Make sure you get all the vegetables and the chicken mixed together. This one is best if you let it rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes before you serve it, so all the flavors come together. Always try your food before you serve it. That's delicious.
See what I mean about the salt?
Yeah, it needs a little bit more salt for me. Taste it as you go, you know, salt and pepper, personal preference. I love pepper. Now that you mixed all of your ingredients together, leave them in the bowl and cover them and put it in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can also do it overnight, which the flavor is also fabulous, but 20 to 30 minutes will do. Alright guys, now this is finished. Now if you look here is part of one of your meals. You can squeeze a little bit of lime. There is your delicious chicken soup right here. Here is the chicken salad. You can do a healthy version. And
Wait, let me see what you're doing there.
we're going to do a wrap. This is just a flour tortilla that I am warming up to make a wrap. This will be nice, warm, and delicious. Alright, that's done. Put on your lettuce, which I guess it could be a chicken salad taco, but this way you have all your vitamins, your minerals, and your protein. If you like flour tortillas, put your chicken salad on the tortilla. If you want additional salt and pepper or hot sauce, which I like to add hot sauce, of course, I'm Mexican. Just a little bit of a drizzle. Make your chicken wrap. And if you have bread, you can use the bread to make a chicken salad sandwich. So you have the healthy version of your chicken salad on a piece of romaine lettuce, or you can put it in a wrap.
I'm eating that. Mmm.
What do you think?
Mm-mm.
That's delicious.
Yes, it is. Guys, you'll just have to take my word for it.
Thank you guys for joining me in this cooking episode. We are getting ready to go to another place and have some more adventures. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you like below. And I will see you again with another recipe from the TBL Kitchen.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to the Thin Blue Lane. I hope you liked the video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so over here. And if you want to see more exciting productions, click right over here.